Saying this is who you are. You're waiting for a falling star, hoping I'm your saving grace. Come on, do that work that way. You take the shots and let me fall. You're waiting for a wake-up call, and I can see you had enough. Are you still looking now? And I know
gonna wait for 30 minutes before we wash my hair. So I'll be back after 30 minutes, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is the result guys. You see of this Loreal Excellence Cream number 8 to my hair, to my black colored hair. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So it's become light, slightly brownish. Yeah. So I just blow dry it after I shower. So this is the result, guys. So it's not really, because my hair is really very black. It's like jet black. So it's like jet black. So I didn't achieve the color that it says here when your hair is black. So the result will be like this. So it's slightly brownish. So for my hair, I didn't achieve it very well. I think for me, I need to lighten it more than this. See? But at least it's become brownish, lightly brown, guys. So I'm gonna show you outside, guys, so you can see the exact color when it's under the sun. For now it's like this, guys. Yeah. I suggest, guys, if your hair is really black and you're going to color your hair for the first time with this Loreal Excellence Cream, I suggest you go for higher number. Because this is number 8 and it says here it's blonde, but for black hair like me, so this is the result. You won't get the blonde hair. You won't achieve this blonde hair, guys. Okay? So you will going to achieve only something like this. This is slightly brownish. Hi guys, so I'm outside now, so I'm gonna show you. You see, seems like it's still black, but I'm gonna show you when it's under the sun. See, it's still black. Okay, so this is the color of my hair now. It is under the sun. Oh, it seems like it's still so here. Alright guys, I'm back. So that's how my hair looks like under the sun. So you can see the difference guys when it's under the sun. So it's become slightly brownish, unlike when I didn't color my hair, which is really very black. So that's all for today's vlog guys. So yeah. So that's all for today's vlog guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you at my next one guys. Love you all.